Hello everybody, hope we're all keeping well, keeping safe, keeping warm. Down here is cold, so all what we need now is to keep ourselves warm. Put on a warm clothes, make sure your house is warm enough, put on the heater. I know this time around is the time to pay a lot of bill burning heater to make sure the house is warm for the kids and for everybody. So today I'm gonna show you various brekkie or breakfasts I take in the morning to lose weight. Okay guys, watch out and thank you guys, and thank you. Stay tuned. Today guys, I'm going to show you various breakfasts that I eat to lose weight. So today I'm in the kitchen to do the brekkie breakfast. Love you all and thank you for your great support, guys. Thank you for your massive support, your massive comment. Thank you for your encouragement. That is keeping me going, you know, grinding. Thank you, guys. Love you all and stay blessed. Keep warm and bye. Stay tuned. Guys, my breakfast this morning is yogurt and assorted kinds of fruits that I fancy. So basically, you can choose your own fruit, but make sure you take yogurt in the morning as your breakfast. Include yogurt in your breakfast to lose weight if you want to lose your weight. Okay. Another thing is yogurt is a dairy product made by fermenting milk with a yogurt culture, right? The benefit of eating yogurt in the morning that will help you to keep your health, that will help you to lose weight, you know, they are so great. You know, yogurt is rich in important nutrients. Yogurt is high in protein. Yogurt helps your digestive system. Yogurt strengthens your immune system. Yogurt protects you against osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is like a disease that affects your bone, like arthritis, but it's not arthritis. Similar arthritis, yeah? Yogurt helps benefit your heart. Yogurt promotes weight management. If you are looking to lose weight or to manage your weight, keep taking yogurt for breakfast and eat little portion of every other meal during the day. And take a lot of exercises as well. Okay, yogurt contains, you know, yogurt is nutritious. Yogurt contains protein. Yogurt is probiotic, which means it enhances healthy gut bacteria. It fights any bacteria in your stomach, in your system. Yogurt contains calcium. It helps your bone to grow stronger. Yogurt contains a lot of vitamins. Okay, guys, so I want to show you my various breakfasts that I take with yogurt and assorted fruits each day. Okay, guys, watch out and thank you. So I'm gonna start tipping my yogurt. You can use any yogurt of your choice. You can use flavored yogurt if you want. Okay, that is the yogurt in the bowl. Okay, so I'm using kiwi fruits. Kiwi fruit is a very healthy fruit that we all should try and eat. Okay, you can remove the skin, you know. That is kiwi fruit. I finished peeling my kiwi fruit. Okay, guys. So that's the kiwi fruit. I'm gonna chop it inside my yogurt. Okay. So I'm going to tip it inside the yogurt. It's going to go in there like that. Then I'm going to put my honey. Okay. Another bowl. This one is my banana. Yeah, banana is full of, contains a lot of vitamins. Good for you. You know, to consume banana each day is good for your brain. You know. So I just chop it up like this. This is all I do every morning. Banana is packed full of nutrients, vitamins. It aids your thinking, your focus, your brain, you know, to function properly. So now I'm gonna put the banana inside the top of the yogurt. That's number 2 for my breakfast each day. In here, I'm gonna tip in some cinnamon powder, okay? Just a little. Then put in my honey, okay? My honey goes in there. That is another breakfast to aid your weight loss, okay? So yeah, I got my mango. Okay, got my mango. So I'm going to be using it on this, on my yogurt bowl. Just scoop it up like that, okay? There's the mango. These are my chopped mango, okay? Put it in my bowl of yogurt. So my breakfast I take in the morning. So those are my chopped mango that I scrape out from here. Okay, comes out from here. So I'm gonna tip it in here on my yogurt breakfast. Then put in some Manuka honey. Manuka honey is a very good honey. Very good honey. You can use any honey, okay? Don't bother. Don't worry.